Hello, thank you for having me. My name is Eka Silvi Marata Simbolon. I'm from Universitas Sumatera Utara. I would like to present you my paper, and the title of the paper is Effect of Use of Corn Leaf as on Concrete Compressive Strength. This paper is presented on third seminar Talenta 2020. So let's begin. Before starting, these are the presentation layout. Start from background, research objectives, research methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, and the last reference. The reason why I studied this research are corn leaf can cause organic waste on agricultural land. Based on the Indonesian Cement Association 2018, the total cement consumption in 2017 was 66.3 million tons, which is cement consumption increased 7% from the previous year. And this waste is also underutilized. The second one, cement can cause damage for environment or can cause negative impacts such as technical materials. In this case, lime. Lime is classified as a non-renewable natural resource. Next, production process produce carbon dioxide gas can accelerate global warming. And last, of impact explosion. Based on the following research background, the purpose of this study are reduce the number of waste corn leaf and utilize it. The second one, investigated the potential use of corn leaf as a cement replacement material in percentage and its effect on concrete compressive strength. So, expected the number of cement in the concrete can reduce. Furthermore, the steps taken in this study are in accordance with the following flowchart. Start preparation, which includes the preparation step, are first mix design. Mix designs refer to SNE 032834 2000 in 1 meter cubic. Material preparation such as ordinary Portland cement or OPC get produced by Cement Padang, Indonesia. Corn leaf ash, corn leaf waste from the fields around Padang Bulan, Medan, North Sumatra, and surrounding area. Corn leaf must be ensured dry before burning because burning without using any fuel. Corn leaf ash before it is used and determined as a concrete mixture is examined at the Palm Oil Research Center to determine the chemical composition. This is result of chemical composition. You can be seen the results by the table. Next, water. Water was taken from the Concrete Laboratory Department of Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, University of Sumatera Utara. Fine aggregate from PT Keraton, coarse aggregate around 10 mm, also from PT Keraton, and fine aggregate and coarse aggregate must go through sieve analysis and specific gravity. Next is to availability checks. After finish all preparation, next step is trial mix. If the trial mix is appropriate, we can do production sample. The specimen used was a concrete cylinder with a diameter of 150 mm and height of 300 mm. The total number of the sample is 72. Next, sample testing consists of slump test, unit weight test, and compressive strength test. After get data, we can do data analysis, so the research finished. Result and discussion. The first is slump test. Based on the result of the slump test in figure 1, it can be seen that corn leaf ash cause value of the slump of fresh concrete to decrease. The second one is unit weight test. Based on the result shown in figure 2, the more percentage of corn leaf ash, the smaller the unit weight produced. Third, all the result of compressive strength test can be seen from table 4. In this study, partial substitution with a percentage of corn leaf ash 2.5% until 7.5% give compressive strength of concrete that is greater than a normal concrete. Otherwise, if a DG or corn leaf ash content is greater than 7.5%, it can cause the compressive strength of concrete is decreased. After analyzing the data, the conclusion of this study were obtained. The first one is silica oxide in the amount of 62.32%. The second one, the use of ADJ as a substitute material for cement as a percentage in a concrete mixture can reduce the value of the concrete slab. The third, the greater percentage of corn leaf as content, the volume of corn leaf as concrete weight getting smaller. The fourth, concrete compressive strength of variation in the percentage of corn leaf as 2.5% until 7.5% has increased compared to normal concrete. On the contrary, for the compressive strength of concrete, the corn leaf as percentage of 10% until 17.5% of the weight of cement have decreased. The fifth, the most optimum percentage of corn leaf ash used as substitute material for cement in concrete mixture is at a percentage of corn leaf ash of 7.5% by weight of cement. And the last, corn leaf ash can be proposed as partial cement replacement material for increase the compressive strength concrete. The following are references used to support this research. Okay, the presentation is enough. Thank you so much for your attention.